In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Bluesky post in WordPress. Whether you're a blogger, a content creator, or someone looking to enhance your site's interactivity, incorporating Bluesky posts can add depth and variety to your content. To start, the first thing you need to do is log into your Bluesky account. If you haven't created one yet, you should set it up before proceeding with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the post you wish to embed. It's important to choose a post that relates well to the topic of your WordPress site to maintain cohesion and relevance for your audience. Now, once you've selected your post, locate the share button on the corner of that specific post. This is usually represented by an icon that resembles a small arrow or share symbol. Click on it to open up sharing options. Among these options, look for one labeled Embed or Similar, which should give you an HTML embed code. This code is what you'll use to place the post on your WordPress site. Make sure to copy this code carefully, as missing even a single character might cause the embed to malfunction. Once you've got the embed code ready, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll need to navigate to the page or post where you want this Bluesky post to appear. You have the freedom to embed in a new post or an existing one, depending on your site's needs. Open the editor for the chosen post or page. If you're using the block editor, you're in luck, as this makes the process even smoother. In the block editor, you'll see a little plus icon for adding a new block. Click on it and search for the Custom HTML block. This is where you will be pasting the embed code you copied from Bluesky. Just click into the block and paste the code directly. If you're using the classic editor or a similar tool, switch to the HTML or text mode to paste your code accurately. Now that the code is embedded, it's crucial to check that everything looks perfect before you publish or update the page. You can preview your post or page to ensure that the embedded Bluesky post displays correctly and is fully functional. Make sure it fits well with your content, visually and thematically, and that all links or media within the post are working as expected. Finally, once you're satisfied with how it looks, simply hit Publish or Update. Your Bluesky post should now be live on your WordPress site, ready for your visitors to engage with. This simple method allows you to keep your web content dynamic and fresh, engaging your audience with the latest from your Bluesky account. And there you have it, embedding a Bluesky post into WordPress is a straightforward process that can enhance your content's value significantly. Follow these steps every time you wish to embed a post, and you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Bluesky presence into your WordPress world.